Number 5 says, Mrs. Bolt wrote the following numbers on the board: 1, 15, 17, 27, 43. Determine if each number is prime, composite, or neither by dragging and dropping into the correct column on the table. So we're not going to be dragging because this isn't on the computer, so we're actually going to be putting these in the correct places. So the first thing I want to address is, what is a prime number? A prime number only has two factors. Two factors, 1 and itself. And a composite number has many factors, more than 2. All right, so let's look at these and try to figure them out. When I think about the number 1, what are the factors for the number 1? So I'm going to put my thinking down here. And when I think about, well, what will give me the number 1? Well, only 1 times 1 will give me the number 1. So that's not 2 factors, and that's not more than 2 factors. So the number 1 is going to be neither, and we've talked about that in class. It is a special number. All right, let's look at the next number. The next number is 15. So I'm going to write the number 15 over here, and I'm thinking to myself, well, what will give me 15? Well, 1 times 15 will give me 15, and 3 times 5 will give me 15. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. And if I have 4 factors, then it can't be prime, it must be composite. So we're going to write the number 15 here. The next number is the number 17. And when I think about all the numbers that can multiply together to give me the number 17, I can think about 1 times 17. And that's basically it. There are no other numbers that will give me 17. So that's 2 factors. And when I only have 2 factors, then that means the number is prime. So I'm going to slot the number 17 in the prime box. The following number is 27. And here's what I know about the number 27. 1 times 27 will give me 27. And 2 plus 7 is 9. And 9 is a count by 3 number. So this number will be able to be multiplied by 3 to get 27. And that number is 9. And so 3 times 9 is 27. I can't think of anything else at this moment, but that's already 1, 2, 3, 4 factors, which means the number 27 is also composite. The next number that we're looking at is the number 43. The number 43 is also odd, so it can't be, 2 is not a factor. And I know 1 times 43 will give me 43. But when I think about any other factors, there are none. So that's 2 factors, which means the number 43 is prime.